Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. The Coachmen Beyond 2026 isn't just a camping van, it's a passport to freedom on your own terms. It's built for people who don't want to choose between adventure and comfort, between the open road and the feeling of home. One look at it and you immediately understand its purpose. The tall, confident stance hints at the fully equipped living space inside, while the clean, modern exterior tells you this van is meant to travel far beyond paved roads. Built on a proven and reliable platform, the Beyond feels ready for long highway stretches, winding mountain passes, and quiet, off-grid escapes where the only sound is nature itself. Park it by the ocean, deep in the forest, or on a remote roadside, and it never feels out of place. It feels exactly where it belongs. The heart of the Coachmen Beyond is its flexible living and lounging area, designed to change with your day. In the morning, sunlight pours through large windows, creating an open, airy atmosphere, perfect for relaxing, working remotely, or enjoying breakfast with a view. During the day, the seating provides a comfortable place to unwind or share meals, while at night, the space effortlessly transforms into a proper sleeping area. The bed is thoughtfully designed with quality cushioning and ample space, delivering real comfort rather than compromise. This is the kind of sleep that leaves you rested and ready to explore again the next morning. The kitchen inside the Coachmen Beyond 2026 proves that compact doesn't have to mean limited. Everything is laid out for efficiency and ease, with a well-designed countertop, a modern sink, cooking equipment, and a refrigerator that allows you to store fresh food for longer journeys. Storage cabinets are intelligently placed, keeping cookware, groceries, and essentials organized without clutter. Whether you're preparing a quick meal after a long drive or cooking something special at a scenic campsite, the kitchen feels functional, practical, and surprisingly capable. Open the door and the transformation is instant. What looks like a capable adventure van on the outside reveals a surprisingly refined and welcoming living space inside. The interior of the Coachmen Beyond 2026 feels warm, smart, and carefully designed, with soft-touch materials, tasteful wood-style finishes, and subtle lighting that instantly makes you feel at home. Up front, the driving area remains clean and driver-focused, with a modern infotainment display, a digital driver screen, and intuitive controls that make long journeys relaxed and stress-free. The front seats are deeply comfortable for hours on the road, and once parked, they swivel smoothly to become part of the living area, turning the cabin into a social, open space in seconds. What truly sets the Coachmen Beyond apart is how completely it supports life on the road. The fully enclosed wet bath adds a level of comfort and independence that many camping vans simply don't offer, making long trips feel effortless. Integrated power systems, water management, and climate controls are designed to handle both campground hookups and off-grid adventures. Heating and cooling systems keep the interior comfortable across changing seasons, whether you're traveling through desert heat or cool mountain air. Every system works quietly in the background, allowing you to focus on the journey rather than the logistics. Behind the wheel, the Coachmen Beyond 2026 feels confident, smooth, and easy to live with. The suspension is tuned to balance ride comfort with stability, making long drives far less tiring than you might expect. Steering feels composed, visibility is excellent, and modern driver assist features add reassurance in traffic or unfamiliar terrain. The engine provides steady, dependable power, ensuring the van feels capable even when fully loaded with gear and supplies. In the end, the Coachmen Beyond 2026 is about more than travel. It's about freedom without compromise. It allows you to take your home with you, to wake up in new places, and to experience the world at your own pace. With its smart interior layout, real sleeping comfort, functional kitchen, private bathroom and relaxed driving experience, this van turns every journey into something personal and unforgettable. It proves that adventure doesn't have to be rough and comfort doesn't have to stay behind. With the Coachmen Beyond, you truly get both.